everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make tamarind juice. If you're not familiar with tamarind, this is what it looks like. I buy mine in this 1-pound bag, and I'm not using all of it today. I'm just using half of this bag. To peel the tamarind, you have to crack the shell open, and the shell is really soft. It's not hard at all, and the tamarind itself is sticky, so it's going to get on your hands, but don't worry about that. And then you'll want to peel the vein off. You don't need that. The goal is to get all the shell off, but because it's sticky, sometimes there will be little pieces of shell left behind, but that's not a big deal because we're going to strain this in the end. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed in the description box below for you. By the way, we as Belizeans don't call it tamarind, we just call it Tambrand. So I did make some tambrand juice. One thing to know about tamarind, if you've never handled it before, is that when you're finished peeling it, just inspect it really good and make sure there's no bugs or mold or anything on it, because sometimes they tend to have little bugs or I don't know, weevil. This one had some, and that kind of freaked me out a little bit. I've been making this juice for a while and I didn't have any bad one, and then the one time I'm filming, like, I had some bad ones. It's always funny for me to go back and forth with English and how we speak in Belize in Creole, because we always say things different, and we know how to spell it, but we just don't say it the correct way. So instead of weevil, we would say weeble. And it always makes me laugh because, you know, when I'm there I don't think about it, but now that I'm here in the States and I have to say it, it sounds funny. Fun fact, did you know that tamarind has a lot of health benefits? I didn't. All I know is that I like anything tamarind, Tambrand. But I just decided to Google it one day and I couldn't believe all the health benefits. I had no idea. Now that they're all nice and peeled, I'm going to put some water in the pot, and I just want enough water in there to cover them, so this is about 3 cups. Let this come to a boil and then lower the heat to medium and let this cook for about 15 minutes or so, or until the tamarind is soft. Now that they're nice and soft, I like to use a potato masher to mash them. I find that that works the best to get the pulp off the seeds. Now it's time to strain it. Use a spoon to move it along and try to get as much of the pulp out as possible. I mean, I'll do this until there's almost nothing left in there but the seeds. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my story over there, so follow me if you don't want to miss it. And yeah, send me pictures of your food. Don't be afraid to tag me in them. If you tag me, I'll reshare it. Or you can message me. I'll be glad to answer you. Or you can follow me on my Cooking with Shirani Facebook also. If you've never had tamarind juice before or tamarind juice, the only way I can describe it is that it's sweet and sour at the same time. It's tangy, it's tart, it's just really good. But if you're not into flavors like this, then you won't like it, but I love it. Be sure to clean off the back of your strainer and get everything off. You can't let all your hard work go to waste. So from all of that, I got about 1.5 cups. In my picture here, I have 5 cups of water and I'm adding all the tamarind to it. I'm going to sweeten this with sugar and I'm putting about 3/4 cup of sugar in this. Now this is totally up to you. You can sweeten this with whatever you want to use. Any kind of sweetener of your choice and as much or as little as you want. It's how you like it. And you can add more water to it if you don't want it to be so tangy and tart. Or you can add less water, so this is to taste. This might even look like a lot of sugar to you, but if you've never had tamarind juice, this thing is really sour, so you need the sugar if you want it to be a little bit sweet. Well, I'm just going to enjoy this over some ice now. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.